A major update for H-1B visa hopefuls. The most sought-after US work visa is about to open for registration, but this year the selection process is different. The US Citizenship and Immigration Services, that is the USCIS, has introduced new rules aimed at curbing fraud and ensuring fairness. What's changing and how will it affect Indian IT professionals? Let's break it down. The H-1B initial registration period for the 2026 fiscal year begins on the 7th of March at noon Eastern Time, which is 10:30 p.m. IST, and closes on the 24th of March at noon EST, which means 10:30 p.m. IST. Registrations must be submitted online through the USCIS portal. The registration fee is $215 per beneficiary. This visa allows US companies to hire highly skilled foreign professionals, especially in fields like IT, engineering, and healthcare. Companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and Infosys rely heavily on H-1B workers. Indians are the largest recipients of H-1B visas. Every year, 65,000 visas are granted under the general cap, with an additional 20,000 reserved for applicants with US higher degree educations. USCIS is making major change in how candidates are selected to prevent fraud and abuse. Previously, if multiple employers submitted applications for the same person, their chances of selection increased. Now the selection will be beneficiary-centric, meaning only unique individuals will be entered into the lottery regardless of how many applications they have. This new rule ensures fairness and prevents employers from gaming the system. If enough unique registrations are received by the 24th of March, USCIS will randomly select beneficiaries and notify them through their online accounts. If fewer registrations are received than expected, then all properly submitted registrations will automatically be selected. The selection process will ensure that no single applicant has an unfair advantage due to multiple applications. The US government has been trying to crack down on fraud in the H-1B system. In past years, some applicants and employers tried to boost their chances by submitting multiple applications under different employers. By shifting to a unique beneficiary model, USCIS wants to make sure each applicant gets an equal shot regardless of how many times their name is submitted. So what does this mean for Indian applicants? The new process could level the playing field for Indian professionals who don't have multiple sponsors. It also reduces the chance of big IT consultancies dominating the lottery. The lottery system remains intact, but fairer selection means individual applicants have a more transparent process. The H-1B visa remains the most competitive work visa for foreign professionals in the United States. With these changes, the USCIS is attempting to make the process fairer and more transparent. But will these changes really prevent fraud? And how will they impact Indian professionals hoping to work in the US? We'll be tracking all the updates. Stay tuned to the official YouTube channel of the Indian Express for more.